Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with a new recipe. Today we are going to be making a vegetarian sabji or side dish using cauliflower. It's called Cauliflower Rasa. Now this is in a soup like consistency and hence the name Rasa. So the ingredients list for the recipe is given below. Please do check it out. This is pretty simple to make, very few ingredients. And for more such recipes, side dish recipes, meal plans, etc., do check out my channel and also subscribe and click the bell button. Let's jump right in. So on medium flame I placed a pan and I've heated some oil in it. Now into the oil we'll be adding cumin seeds and asafoetida and tempering it. So we'll just let the cumin seeds pop. So once the cumin seeds have cooked and changed color, we'll add the next ingredient to this, which is curry leaves. Add the curry leaves and let it splutter. Add in the chopped green chillies at this stage. Mix everything and let it cook for a second. Now it's time to add the crushed garlic. We'll cook the garlic as well until it starts to change color. Now let's move on with the next ingredient, which is finely chopped tomato. So we'll add the tomatoes into this mixture and saute it for a few seconds. We need to soften the tomatoes before we add the next set of ingredients. So just cooking down the tomato. Now we'll add some tomato puree to this. I'm using store-bought puree here. You can also make fresh puree and add it to it. Mix well and cook the tomatoes until they soften. Once they are nice and soft, I'm adding a little bit of sugar to the mixture. Again sauteing it. You can see the tomatoes have cooked down. Give it a little more mix and then let's add the next set of ingredients, which is Kashmiri red chilli powder, turmeric powder and coriander powder. Now we'll just cook the masala along with the tomato base. Making sure the oil oozes out. Now that the masala is ready, we'll add in the cleaned cauliflower florets into this. Add little by little, mix it well in the masala and make sure it coats it well. So I've added the first batch, mixing it well so that it's nicely coated. Then add the rest of it. Again, mix well. So the cauliflower has been mixed well. Now we'll add 2 cups of water to this. So the consistency of this cauliflower recipe is very soupy. So we'll add 2 cups of normal water to the cauliflower. Mix everything well. Clean the sides of the pan. And then we'll add salt to taste. Now we need to cook this on low flame. We're going to cover and cook it on low flame for 15 minutes. So I've just covered it, let it cook for 15 minutes. We'll just make sure we stir it occasionally so that it doesn't catch to the bottom of the pan. Once it's nicely cooked, add in the green peas. Cook for another 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, the curry is ready. Just add in some chopped coriander leaves and remove from fire. So the simple but interesting recipe of cauliflower rasa is ready. This can be served with some roti, or you can try it with rice as well. So do try it at home and let me know in the comment section. I'll see you next time with a new video. Until then, bye bye.